15 of the exercise we have done already. All right, question number 15, an object of size 7 centimeters is placed at 27 centimeter in front of a concave mirror, that we have done already. Okay, then another numerical of mirrors in the exercise is question number 13. I think that also we discussed. The magnification produced by a plane mirror is +1. What does it mean? Okay, who will tell me the answer? Yes, raise hand. Magnification of a plane mirror is +1. What does it mean? Who will tell me? Yes. Magnification of a plane mirror is +1. What will it signify? Plus will show that the image is virtual and erect, and 1 will show that size of image and size of object, that is the same. Okay, size of object and image, that is the same. So this was question number 12. This was question number 13. Let us do question number 12 based on convex mirrors now. Right. So I read out the statement if you don't have NCERT. Question number 12 is, an object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from a convex mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. Find position and nature of the image. So this question is a bit easier because we are not to find the size of image. Size of object is not given, so size of image also we are not supposed to find here. Okay, so what is given to us? See that u, object distance, that is given 10 centimeter, and u is always negative, so we put a negative sign here, right? This is question number 12 I am talking about. And focal length of convex mirror, that is always positive, that is given 15 centimeter. So these two things are given to us. They are asking find position of the image and nature of the image. We are not to find H2 here because H1 is not given. So that's why they are not talking about size of the image. All right. So how we will do? This is very simple question. To find V, you will use mirror formula first of all. 1 over F is 1 over U plus 1 over V. So 1 over V is 1 over F minus 1 upon U. So put in the values. 1 by 15 minus 1 by minus 10 minus plus. This will give you 1 by V, but you are to find V from here. So solve and tell me what is your answer. Find V from here and tell me what will be your answer. V should be positive क्योंकि आप रे डायग्राम बनाइए साथ साथ, ठीक है? When you draw the ray diagram, you will come to know the signs at least of all the things. Then an estimate कि आपकी रीडिंग कितनी आनी चाहिए वो भी आपको पता चल जाएगा, ठीक है? रीडिंग भी पता चल जाएगी आपको. So this is pole, this is focus, this is center of curvature of convex mirror. Okay, its focal length is positive, that's why focus is on the right hand side. Suppose object is lying here. So draw the ray diagram first. One ray appears to come out of focus. One ray appears to come out of focus. Draw like this. And second ray that appears to pass through C, it will retrace its path और वापस आते हुए जहां पे मीट करेगी. Here virtual and erect images form. Virtual and erect images form this side. All right. Clear, students? Fine. So V should be positive. Your image is formed on right hand side of pole. तो ये V आपका positive आना चाहिए. और कितना आ रहा है? +6 centimeter. Yes, raise hand if you have solved. Anybody who has solved, raise hand and confirm whether it is +6 centimeter. So V is plus 6 centimeter from here. ठीक है, तो इतने के डिस्टेंस पे ही बन रही है इमेज. आप देख सकते हो, इट इज लेस देन फोकल लेंथ. फोकल लेंथ इज 15 सेंटीमीटर, सो इट इज लेस देन दैट. तो हमारा ये V करेक्ट हो गया. पोजीशन ऑफ द इमेज इज 6 सेंटीमीटर. लेट अस मार्क इट ऑन द रे डायग्राम. So object distance is 10 centimeter. Okay, and this is the image where it is formed. So image distance is 6 centimeter. Focal length is 15 centimeter. Radius of curvature is 30 centimeter, double of focal length. So mark all those distances on the ray diagram, then it will be complete. So now your ray diagram is complete in all respects. Now we have to find nature of the image. So for that purpose, let us find magnification minus V by U. Minus V is 6, U is minus 10. Minus minus get cancelled and your magnification is 0.6. So what does it tell? Positive sign shows that image is virtual and erect. Yes, we have drawn the ray diagram. Image should be virtual and erect. That is correct. Image is virtual and erect. All right. Image is virtual and erect. And its value is less than 1. 0.6 is less than 1. That shows that image is smaller. Image is diminished in size. You can confirm from the ray diagram. So that is okay. So this is our whole numerical based on convex mirror. Similar way, okay, but you have to take care of the sign conventions. Focal length of convex mirror is positive. U will remain negative. And again, the formula of mirror formula will also remain the same. Magnification formula M is equal to minus V by U. That is also same. तो वो सेम ही रहेंगे आपके सारे एक्सप्रेशन. Is that clear, students? All right. So this is a complete numerical on convex mirror. One more numerical is given in the exercise. Let us do that. This is question number 14. इसमें height भी निकालनी है आपको. This is question number 14 now. So let us do this. Question number 14. All right. So 14th question, the statement is ray diagram will remain the same. 14th question. Statement is an object 5 centimeter in length is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter in front of a convex mirror of radius of curvature 30 centimeter. Find the position of image, its nature and size. तो ये सब कुछ फाइंड करना है. यहाँ पे हमें पोजीशन, हाइट भी निकालनी है इमेज की. H2 also we are to find. So let us do this. So this is question number 14. Height of object, that means symbol is H1, that is plus 5 centimeters. It is kept at a distance of 20 centimeters. So that is U given and it should be with minus sign. All right. Then focal length, radius of curvature of this convex mirror is 30 centimeters. You can see कि इसका center of curvature right side पे होता है. So radius of curvature positive होगा and hence focal length will also be positive. So that is focal length is plus 15 centimeters. Focal length of convex mirror we have calculated, that is plus 15 centimeters. So that is what is given and we are again to find position of the image, nature of the image and size of the image. So these things we are to find. Let us, ray diagram will also remain the same, just dimensions will change. Here U is 20 centimeter, focal length is same 15, radius of curvature is 30, that is okay. V, let us check V kitna aayega. And height of object is also given 5 centimeters. So draw the ray diagram once again and do these new labelings now. Here U is 20 centimeters. In this case, u is 20 centimeter now. Okay. So draw this ray diagram. Always in these types of numericals, develop a habit of drawing ray diagram. That is compulsory. All right. So then we will find V. So again, the first step is always by using mirror formula. 1 over F is 1 over U plus 1 over V. So put in the values. 1/15 minus minus plus हो जाएगा. Now tell me what is V. Again V should be positive. V positive होना चाहिए, ये देख लीजिए. चलिए solve this and tell me. Raise hand if you have solved for V. बेटे, all of you turn your videos on. वीडियो ऑन करके बैठो बच्चे. Yes, raise hand if you have solved. Hand raise करिए if you have solved. सेवन बाय 60 ये 1/v है. So V is 60/7 centimeter. So it will be 8 point something. ठीक है. V is 8 point something. All right. So V is again positive. V is again positive. So हमारा आंसर करेक्ट है. And again it is less than focal length. That is also correct. 8.57 लिखा है मैंने. Yes, दिया. Wait. Now we'll find the magnification. M is minus V by U. करिए solve हो. Some students are in the waiting room. I don't know why they are not able to join. I have admitted them. Okay, so let us find magnification now. Minus V by U. Minus 60/7 over minus U. Okay, minus sign gets cancelled, so it is 3/7. Magnification is positive but less than 1. Positive sign shows that image is virtual and erect. Yes, that is there. And value is less than 1. That shows that image is diminished. Image is smaller in size. So वो confirm हो गया. So what is the nature of image? It is virtual, it is erect, it is diminished. 2 steps we have done. All right. 2 steps we have done. Wait, students. Some students are in the waiting room still. So I have admitted them, but they are not able to enter. I don't know why. Okay, so rest of the students, you find H2. Use the other formula magnification H2 over H1 and find H2. Then raise hand if you do so. Yes, anyone has solved, then you can raise hand. Okay. So let us find H2 by using this formula. Magnification is 3 by 7. H2 we are to find. H1 is 5. So H2 is 15 by 7 centimeter. It is 2 point something. Okay, height is less. Height of object was 5 centimeter and height of image is about 2.1 centimeter. That's very less. Okay, less than even its half. So let us mark the height also. Height of image is 2.1 centimeter. So this is the complete ray diagram also with height of object and image also marked here. So see this. All right. Yes, Pramod, what do you want to ask? Unmute yourself.
मैम वो बस आंसर ही बताना था और वो तब इसलिए किया था।
Which one?
मैं कहा वो आंसर बताना था ना इसलिए हैंड रेस किया था वो फिर हो गया।
Okay. So is that clear, students? So you will be able to do now all the numericals of mirror, concave and convex mirror we have done. Now one extra numerical that is from the exercise, but short exercise of NCERT. Page 171. Open page 171 of the exercise. Okay. Yes. This is a small question. Write down the statement, those who are not having the book. A concave mirror produces 3 times magnified real image of an object. A concave mirror produces 3 times magnified real image of an object placed at 10 centimeter in front of it. Placed at 10 centimeter in front of it. Where is the image located? Image कहाँ पे है ये आपको locate करना है. V नहीं, हाँ V find करना है यहाँ. ठीक है? So let us do this question here. Concave mirror है 3 times magnified real image is given because they have given nature of the image also, so it becomes very easy for us to do this. Otherwise, magnified image may be virtual also, may be real also. But they have given us the nature of the image form that is real. So magnification would be negative. Magnification is negative for real image, you know that. All right. So this is a short exercise question on page 171. Page number 171. Page 171. So magnification is negative because it is real image and 3 times magnified. So magnification is -3 here. All right, this is given to us. And what else? Object placed at 10 centimeters. Object distance is 10 centimeter here. U is -10. We are to find only V. So only the formula of magnification we can use here. M is equal to -B by U for a mirror. So M is -3. V we have to find. U is -10. Okay. So how much is V? V is -30 centimeters. So our answer is V is -30 centimeters. Our answer is V is -30 centimeters. Yes, Aryaman. हाँ बोलो Aryaman. Do you have any query? Aryaman, आपका माइक विजिबल नहीं है यहाँ पे. आई थिंक आपने ऑडियो कनेक्ट नहीं किया हुआ. फर्स्ट यू कनेक्ट ऑडियो ओनली, देन आई कैन अनम्यूट यू. Aryaman, ऑडियो कनेक्ट करिए, देन आई कैन अनम्यूट यू. योर माइक इज नॉट विजिबल हियर. Yes, Aryaman, still your mic is not visible. So this numerical is also clear to you. Now, if you want to draw its ray diagram, we need to find its focal length also. पूछा तो उन्होंने v है, तो यहाँ तक इट्स ओके. बट अगर आप रे डायग्राम बनाना चाहते हो तो आपको फोकल लेंथ जरूर पता होनी चाहिए. सो फॉर दैट पर्पस यू कैन यूज 1/f is 1/u plus 1/v. You have v also, you have u also. You can solve and find focal length f from here. And then accordingly you can draw the रे डायग्राम ऑफ कनकेव मिरर. ये तो कन्वेक्स है, कनकेव मिरर का रे डायग्राम आपको उसी से पता चलेगा कि कौन सा केस है. वेयर इज द ऑब्जेक्ट प्लेस. इफ यू नो एफ, देन डबल विल बी सी, राइट. तो उसके अकॉर्डिंगली यू विल फाइंड आउट कि ये कौन से वाला केस है और आप उसको रे डायग्राम को प्लॉट कर सकते हैं. ऑलराइट. तो अदरवाइज यू कांट फाइंड दैट. सो विल एनीबडी डू दैट? फाइंड इट आउट. फोकल लेंथ निकालिए यहाँ से and tell me how much is the focal length. Calculate the focal length. So focal length is minus 7.5 centimeter. Concave mirror है ना, तो focal length negative आ रही है, so that's right. तो focal length is minus 7.5 centimeter. That means radius of curvature जो C है वो इसके डबल पे है, 15 पे है. तो अब आप देखिए U कौन सा है आपका. It is between F and C. So it is that case when object is kept between F and C and image is formed beyond C. Image कहाँ पे बनी है? Beyond C. C आपका कहाँ पे है? 15 पे, और V is 30 सेंटीमीटर, तो ये वहां पर बनी. राइट. सो दिस वे द होल क्वेश्चन, द होल पिक्चर बिकम्स क्लियर कि क्या सिचुएशन है, कौन सा मिरर है, उसकी कितनी फोकल लेंथ है, वेयर इज द ऑब्जेक्ट प्लेस, कैसी इमेज बनेगी. सो इट विल बी रियल, इन्वर्टेड एंड मैग्नीफाइड इमेज. सो दिस इज द केस व्हेन ऑब्जेक्ट इज प्लेस्ड बिटवीन C and F. Object has been kept between F and C. Is that clear, students? Now one extra question. Let us do that. Aryaman, your mic is still not visible, so lower your hand. No use. Okay, write down. Now you people will do this question. Write down an extra question. A concave mirror produces, write down, a concave mirror produces a 4 times magnified, a concave mirror produces a 4 times magnified and erect image, 4 times magnified and erect image of an object. 4 times erect and magnified image of an object. Where is the object located if radius of curvature of the mirror is, where is the object located if radius of curvature of the mirror is 40 centimeter? Radius of curvature of this mirror is given 40 centimeter. So this question is also different because here V is not asked, here U we are to find. Object कहाँ पे पड़ी है हमें ये find out करना है. So you are to find U, not V here. So write what is given and then accordingly you can find the values. Yes. Try yourself. Yes, better try yourself. Some students are in the waiting room, but I have allowed them to enter. They are not able to. That means net is weak from their side. So if they ask, you can tell them. So from my side, joining is there. I have allowed them to enter, but they are not able to join. 7 students are there in the waiting room. I think they are having some network issue. All right. Yes, start solving this question now. You will tell me what is the answer. Yes. So first of all, radius of curvature, that is minus 40 centimeter. Radius of curvature minus 40 centimeter. So focal length is minus 20 centimeter. But it's compulsory to write the formula. Formula जरूर लिखना है. ठीक है, अभी मैं आपको ऐसे बता रही हूँ, but always write the formula when you do some calculation. So f is equal to r by 2 here. Okay. Then 4 times magnified and erect. So what do you think will be the magnification? Plus 4 or minus 4? Erect image है ना, so it is plus 4. It is plus 4. So this must be the last case when object is kept between F and P. ये वो वाला case होगा. ठीक है? And where is the object located? We are to find it. So these things are given to you. So what you will do? U निकालना है आपको. आप अब क्या करेंगे? मैग्निफिकेशन का फॉर्मूला यूज करिए. माइनस v by u, that is 4. आपको u निकालना है, तो यहाँ से v आ जाएगा माइनस 4u. So note down, v is minus 4u. v is minus 4u. All right. Fine. So use now mirror formula and put its value here. Put v equal to minus 4u here. So minus 1 by 20, 1 by u, and this is minus 4u. So find u from here. यहाँ से आपका u आ जाएगा. So this is a different type of question. This is a different type of question.